Hi, I'm Kevin, and in this video, I'm going to show a Make.com automation that can take a voice memo and transform it into something useful, and then take that information and put it someplace like on a platform, a CRM that everybody on your team can access. So how I'm going to do this is take this MP3 file, which is a voice memo I made earlier. It's an MP3 file that contains ideas for a team meeting that I'd like to present to my team later on, say in the day. So the way this works is this. Here's the Make.com automation. And we bring that MP3 file directly into the scenario with this module here, the Google Drive module. We feed it into this DeepGram, which is a transcription software. And then we pass it on to Claude. Claude AI is going to create the brief for us from this very Spartan set of instructions here, which says, analyze this voice memo and create a strategic brief with executive summary, key issues, proposed solutions, open questions, and next steps. We have another Claude module here that's going to read the same memo transcript, and it's just going to decide whether it's low, medium, or high priority. All right, and then it's going to dump it all onto this ClickUp list I've got here. And this has the name, the brief text, the brief type. This is a ClickUp AI function, which you may or may not want to use. It's going to read it and decide what type of brief it is. All right, the original memo text and the date created, which is a little redundant since I have it in the name, which you'll see. And then the priority, which again is coming from this second Claude module. So, okay, I'm going to run this. I'm going to run it manually. It can be scheduled once a day, twice a day, every hour. If you want it to be instantaneous, it depends on what your recording platform is. It is possible, but for the purposes of this demo, I'm just going to run this manually. Okay, so it says here, choose where to run. And we got that. And we got to get the file come up here. All right, here's the file. And here we go. Okay, so it is now in the Make.com scenario. It's being processed by Anthropic Claude for the brief. This takes a few seconds. It could take up to like 10, 15 seconds actually to run through this one. But once it gets through this module, it actually goes pretty fast. All right, so it's done. So let's go back to the ClickUp interface, refresh. And there it is. Okay, there's the name. Here's the text. Okay, let me move myself out of the way. I'll scroll down this slowly so you can see it. And if you want to freeze on this and read it later to see if you like it. Okay. All right, and then the brief type, it decided was a strategic brief. The memo text, this is the original memo text. And the date created. And then finally, this is a high priority. So if you would like something like this built for you and your team, leave a comment down below and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thank you very much.